start our ninth chapter, past tense. So here first understand what are the properties and how to identify past tense. So simple past tense first. The simple past tense indicates an action that took place in the past and is over now. Means action which took place in the past, something which happened in the past and was completed. Like my uncle came home late last night. So came, in simple past tense we use the second form of the verb. Okay, here few verbs are given. How to transform these verbs in the second form or past participle, you can say. So in few verbs we add ed, like walk, walked, talk, talked, stay, stayed. Sometimes we convert the verbs with like this: trotted, trotted, blotted, dotted. And sometimes add d to verbs ending in e, like tie, tie, ends with e, so we add only d, tied, like lie, lie, lied, lied. So these are the various verbs, how to change them into their past participles or past tense. So let's do our exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense. Simple past tense means we use the second form of the verbs given in brackets. So here is loss. So Joseph lost. Lost is the second form. And we, second form of it is ate. We ate dinner at 10 last night. And Zahira sent. Sent is the second form of sent. And Sahil drank. Second form is drank. Drink, drank. And I read. So spellings in this case, spelling of read will be same in second form, but we pronounce read. I read some stories of Birbal and enjoyed them a lot. Okay, and exercise B, here take a look. Here few words are given. We have to arrange them and make a sentence, meaningful sentence. Form meaningful sentences in the simple past using parts given. So we have to make a meaningful sentence in past, so we use the second form of the verbs. So I met yesterday Ayan Mukherjee at the park. So I met is the second form of meet. Okay, I met Ayan Mukherjee at the park yesterday. So yesterday will come at the last. And second, Arif and Sama missed the school bus last week twice. So Arif and Sama missed, second form, missed the school bus twice last week. Okay, and question sentence 3. Sentence 3. Ritesh not come to school yesterday because he was ill. So Ritesh did not, because it is a negative sentence. So in a simple past we use did in negative sentences and use the first form with did of verb. So Ritesh did not come to school yesterday because he was ill. Okay, did not come. So remember this thing, come, not came. Okay, did not come. 4. Sohail sleep last night late. So Sohail slept late last night. And 5th is by working hard a scholarship win Harry. So Harry won a scholarship by working hard. And past continuous tense. In past continuous tense we use helping verb was and were with the ing forms with the first form of verb. So how to do the exercises? So here a situation is given and we have to form the sentences. So first is given over here. Sachin saw his teacher Miss Julia in market. The next day he told his friend Shahid about it. So they two students are talking in class. So Shahid, Sachin saw his teacher in the market yesterday. So Shahid is asking him about the teacher. Was Miss Julia driving a car? So Sachin is saying, no, she wasn't driving a car, she was walking along the pavement. Pavement means this where way, okay, pavement where she is walking, okay. And second, we have to make the second sentence in past continuous using these words, wear a pointed hat. So was she wearing a pointed hat? No, she wasn't wearing a pointed hat. Carry a big bag. Was she carrying a big bag? No, she wasn't carrying a big bag, she was carrying a small bag. You can see in the picture here, she was carrying a small bag. And fourth, what she was wearing, because we are converting in past continuous. So she was wearing a pink dress. Carry umbrella, was she carrying an umbrella? No, she wasn't carrying an umbrella. So in this way we have to make sentences in past continuous using was verb with the ing form of the verbs. Now next, D, fill in the blanks with the simple past or past continuous. So first sentence, verb is forgive. The old man forgave. Forgive means second form of the forgive. Her son before she died. The servant was burning. R is missing over here, so this is burning, okay, burning, burning the dry leaves in the backyard when the robber hit him. When I met Roger, he was wearing a black jacket. Romila typed the email ID and hit the send button. So in this way we have to fill these blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs. And now past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense, helping verb is had, and we always use the third form of the verb, okay. And one more thing, we use the past perfect tense to talk about the past action that took place before another past action, okay. It is means if two actions were happened in the past, so we use past perfect for that action which occurred first, okay. It is formed by combining the helping verb had with the past participle of the main verb, while the past perfect shows the earlier of the two past actions. The later past action is expressed using the simple past, okay. So we have to keep this in our mind. Here it is given information, subject I, we, you means we use had with all the subjects and use past participle of the main verb, or simply we can say the third form of the verb. Go, went, gone, sleep, slept, slept, bring, brought, brought, okay. So here this sentence, fill in the blanks using the past perfect form of the verb given in bracket. So Surabhi had just entered, okay, entered, and when the three bears returned, they realized Goldilocks had slept on all their beds. Manish had just eaten, okay. When Suman woke up, the sun had already risen. And fifth is Isha had not read. And here fill in the blanks using the simple past or the past perfect forms of the verb. So here we have to see which action is completed first, so we use past perfect for that action. Like here, Geeta had forgotten to return my notebook, so she called me up to apologize, okay. So this action is happening first, so we will use past perfect tense for this action. In the second, Tarun wanted to complete the work as soon as possible, that is simple past. And third, Shilpa missed her friend who had gone abroad. So this action happened first because the friend went to abroad first, and now Shilpa is missing her, okay. And fourth is Tanya received an award because she had scored the highest marks in the test. And the fifth is I had completed my work earlier, so I was not worried. Okay, so in this way we have to do these sentences. And now this last exercise here, you have to do this. Okay, this is your assignment. Okay, so do this. So we have completed today our chapter 9th, past tense.